sklearn feature extraction image. Feature extraction from images using scikit-learn sklearn involves converting raw image data into a set of meaningful features that can be used by machine learning models. These features capture essential information about the image, such as color, texture, shape, and spatial relationships between different parts of the image. Sklearn provides various tools for feature extraction from images, enabling effective representation of visual data for tasks like image classification, object detection, and image retrieval. Inputs. Input 1. Explain in detail image data. This could be a single image or a collection of images. Images can be loaded from different formats, such as JPG, PNG, or TIFF, using libraries like OpenCV or PIL. Input 2. Explain in detail pre-processing steps. Image data may require pre-processing before feature extraction. This can include steps like resizing, normalization, and color space conversion to prepare the images for analysis. Output 1. Explain in detail feature vectors. The extracted features are typically represented as numerical vectors, where each element corresponds to a specific feature. The dimensionality of these vectors can vary depending on the chosen feature extraction method. Output 2. Explain in detail feature matrix. When processing multiple images, the extracted feature vectors are organized into a feature matrix, where each row represents the feature vector of a single image. Steps. Step 1. Explain in detail image loading. Images are loaded from their source using appropriate libraries and converted into a suitable format for analysis, often as a multi-dimensional array representing pixel values. Step 2. Explain in detail feature extraction. Sklearn provides a variety of feature extraction methods for images, including color histogram. Summarizes the distribution of colors in the image, capturing overall color content. Texture descriptors capture the arrangement of pixels and patterns, such as homogeneity, smoothness, and contrast. Shape descriptors describe the geometric properties of objects within the image, such as area, perimeter, and aspect ratio. Local binary patterns (LBP) detect local intensity changes and create patterns that represent texture variations. Hog histogram of oriented gradients capture edge and shape information by quantifying pay distribution of gradient directions. Metrics. Metric 1. Explain in detail feature extraction performance. Evaluate the effectiveness of pay extracted features in terms of how well they distinguish between different classes or capture relevant information for downstream tasks. Metric 2. Explain in detail computational efficiency. Consider the time and computational resources required to extract features. This is particularly important for large datasets or real-time applications. Visualization plots. Visualization plot 1. Explain in detail feature distribution plots. Visualize the distribution of extracted features to understand their range, variability, and potential correlation. This can be done using histograms, scatter plots, or other appropriate plotting techniques. Visualization plot 2. Explain in detail feature importance analysis. Use methods like feature selection or permutation importance to identify the most informative features, providing insights into which features contribute the most to the performance of the model. Parameter 1. Explain in detail number of bins. Adjust the number of bins in histogram-based methods to control the level of granularity in feature representation. Parameter 2. Explain in detail window size in methods like LBP. The window size determines the local region used for feature extraction. Uncertainty method 1. Explain in detail ensemble methods. Use multiple feature extraction techniques or different parameter settings for each technique to create an ensemble of feature representations. This helps capture a wider range of information and reduces the impact of individual feature extraction biases. Uncertainty method to explain in detail. Bayesian approaches incorporate prior knowledge or probabilistic models to estimate the uncertainty associated with extracted features, providing confidence intervals or probability distributions for feature values. Challenge 1. Explain in detail. High-dimensionality feature extraction methods often produce a large number of features, which can lead to the curse of dimensionality, making it difficult to learn accurate models and increasing computational complexity. When using Hogg features for object detection, the high dimensionality can lead to overfitting and poor generalization performance, especially when training on limited data. Dimensionality reduction techniques apply techniques like principal component analysis (PCA) or linear discriminant analysis (LDA) to reduce the dimensionality of feature space while preserving important information. Feature selection use methods like feature importance analysis or regularized regression to identify and select the most informative features, discarding irrelevant or redundant ones. Challenge 2. Explain in detail computational cost. Some feature extraction methods, like Hogg or deep learning-based approaches, can be computationally expensive, particularly when processing large images or datasets. Real-time image classification applications require efficient feature extraction to ensure timely processing, especially on devices with limited computational resources. Fixes to challenge 2. Optimized implementations utilize libraries like OpenCV or scikit-image that provide optimized implementations of feature extraction algorithms for speed and efficiency. Parallelization leverage multi-core processors or GPUs to parallelize the computation of feature extraction, reducing overall processing time. Feature caching store pre-computed features for frequently used images, reducing the need for repeated extraction.